Welcome to AI Agent Studio. Today we're exploring the most powerful open-source AI agent frameworks and SDKs available on GitHub in 2025. From creating sophisticated multi-agent systems with the OpenAI Agents SDK and MetaGPT, to building autonomous workflows easily with AutoGPT and LangManus, this video will showcase tools that'll elevate your AI development journey. Let's dive in. Project number 1: OpenAI Agents SDK, building powerful multi-agent workflows. What makes the OpenAI Agents SDK stand out is its focus on creating sophisticated multi-agent systems with ease. This isn't just another library for interacting with language models, it's a lightweight yet powerful framework specifically designed for orchestrating workflows between multiple AI agents. Key to its uniqueness are its core concepts: agents, which are LLMs configured with specific instructions and tools; handoffs, a specialized mechanism for seamlessly transferring control from one agent to another; and guardrails, offering configurable safety checks to ensure responsible behavior. Furthermore, the SDK provides built-in tracing, a crucial feature for visualizing, debugging, and optimizing the intricate interactions within your multi-agent workflows. Unlike other tools, this SDK explicitly models agent collaboration, making it straightforward to design complex processes where different AI entities work together. Its compatibility with any model supporting the OpenAI Chat Completions API further enhances its flexibility and broad applicability. This framework empowers developers to build intelligent systems that go beyond single-agent applications, opening up new possibilities for automation and problem-solving through collaborative AI. Project number 2: MetaGPT, the multi-agent framework. What truly sets MetaGPT apart is its vision of becoming the first AI software company towards natural language programming. This project distinguishes itself by employing a multi-agent framework where different roles are assigned to GPTs to form a collaborative entity for complex tasks. Instead of just using a single language model, MetaGPT internally structures itself like a software company, incorporating roles such as product managers, architects, project managers, and engineers. It operates based on carefully orchestrated SOPs, standard operating procedures, embodying the core philosophy that code equals SOP, team, where these procedures are applied to teams of LLMs. This allows MetaGPT to take one-line requirement as input and outputs user stories/competitive analysis/requirements/data structures/APIs/documents, etc., essentially handling the entire software development lifecycle. The framework has also received academic recognition, with its work on automating agentic workflow generation, A-Flow, accepted for an oral presentation, top 1.8%, at ICLR 2025. This unique approach of simulating a software company with multiple AI agents working in concert based on defined processes to deliver comprehensive software artifacts from a simple request is what makes MetaGPT truly distinctive. Project number 3: Ogno, the lightning-fast library for superpowered AI agents. What makes Ogno truly unique is its design as a lightweight yet incredibly powerful library for building multimodal AI agents. Unlike other frameworks, Ogno prioritizes speed and efficiency, boasting agent creation times that are up to 10,000 times faster than LangGraph, along with significantly lower memory usage. This efficiency doesn't come at the cost of capability. Ogno equips language models, LLMs, with superpowers like memory, knowledge retrieval, tool usage, and complex reasoning. Furthermore, Ogno is model agnostic, meaning you can seamlessly integrate various LLMs from different providers without being locked into a single platform. It offers native support for multiple modalities, enabling agents to process and generate text, images, audio, and video. For more complex tasks, Ogno facilitates the creation of multi-agent teams where specialized agents collaborate. With built-in features for memory management, leveraging knowledge stores through agentic RAG, ensuring structured outputs, and providing real-time monitoring, Ogno stands out as a high-performance solution for developing sophisticated and versatile AI agent systems. Its focus on speed and flexibility positions it as a leading choice for building the next generation of intelligent applications. Project number 4: AutoAgent, fully automated and zero-code LLM agent framework. What truly makes AutoAgent stand out in the rapidly evolving world of LLM agents is its groundbreaking approach to automation and accessibility. Imagine building and deploying sophisticated AI agents simply by using your own words. That's the power of AutoAgent's fully automated and zero-code framework. Unlike many other agent frameworks that require coding expertise, AutoAgent empowers users to create tools, agents, and even intricate workflows using natural language alone. This isn't just about ease of use. AutoAgent has proven its mettle by ranking as a top performer on the GAIA benchmark, achieving comparable results to OpenAI's deep research. Furthermore, it boasts an agentic RAG system with a native self-managing vector database that outperforms industry leaders like LangChain. Whether you want a general AI assistant similar to deep research through its user mode, create individual agents without predefined workflows in the agent editor, or design collaborative agent processes with the workflow editor, AutoAgent offers unparalleled flexibility. It even has the remarkable ability to self-develop, automatically updating itself and incorporating new tools and workflows. With support for a wide range of LLMs and a user-friendly CLI interface, AutoAgent democratizes the creation of advanced LLM agents, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their coding abilities. Project number 5, 10Agent, the real-time conversational AI powerhouse. 10Agent is its comprehensive approach to building real-time conversational AI agents. Imagine an agent that doesn't just process text, but can truly see, hear, and speak in real time, thanks to its integration with technologies like RTC and hardware such as the ESP32. This isn't just a software solution. 10Agent bridges the gap between powerful AI models like DeepSeek, Gemini, and OpenAI and tangible hardware, opening up possibilities for embedded AI applications. Furthermore, its seamless compatibility with platforms like Diffie and Coz makes it incredibly versatile for building and deploying advanced AI workflows. The added functionalities, such as integration with Trilliance for lifelike avatars and the Gemini Multimodal Live API enabling real-time vision and screen share detection, push the boundaries of what a conversational AI can do. Whether it's powering interactive experiences through voice, vision, or integrated hardware, 10Agent stands out by offering a truly holistic and real-time AI interaction capability. It even allows for features like generating stories with accompanying images, creating immersive experiences. By bringing together diverse AI models, real-time communication, hardware integration, and platform compatibility, 10Agent offers a unique and powerful toolkit for the next generation of conversational AI applications. Project number 6, Multi-Agent Orchestrator, the flexible framework for AI conversations. Multi-Agent Orchestrator apart is its flexible and powerful design specifically for managing multiple AI agents in complex conversational workflows. Unlike systems that focus on a single agent, this framework excels at orchestrating interactions between various specialized AI entities. Its intelligent core feature is dynamic intent classification, which smartly routes user queries to the most appropriate agent based on the context and content of the conversation. What makes it particularly versatile is its dual language implementation in both Python and TypeScript, catering to a wide range of developers. The orchestrator also provides seamless support for both streaming and non-streaming responses from different agents, ensuring adaptability for various application needs. A key strength lies in its robust context management, allowing conversations to flow coherently across multiple agent interactions. Furthermore, the architecture is highly extensible, making it easy to integrate new, custom agents or modify existing ones. With pre-built agents and classifiers available, getting started is quick, and its universal deployment capability means you can run it virtually anywhere. The introduction of the powerful supervisor agent further elevates its uniqueness by enabling sophisticated team coordination and parallel processing among specialized agents. In essence, the multi-agent orchestrator provides a comprehensive toolkit for building intricate AI systems capable of handling complex, multi-turn conversations across diverse domains. Project number 7, Agent Zero AI Framework, a personal, organic AI that evolves with you. What truly distinguishes Agent Zero is its unique philosophy of being a dynamic and organically growing agentic framework that learns and adapts as you use it. Unlike predefined frameworks, Agent Zero is not pre-programmed for specific tasks but is designed to be a general-purpose personal assistant that you guide with instructions. It leverages the computer itself as a tool, with the ability to write its own code and use the terminal to create new tools on the fly, rather than relying on a fixed set of pre-built functionalities. Another key differentiator is its approach to multi-agent cooperation, where agents can create subordinate agents to break down tasks, forming a hierarchical structure where the user is the ultimate superior. Furthermore, Agent Zero is built on the principle of complete transparency and customizability. Almost nothing is hard-coded, and its entire behavior is driven by system prompts that users can freely modify. The framework also boasts a persistent memory, allowing it to learn from past experiences and solve tasks more efficiently over time. With the introduction of the browser agent, it can now autonomously browse the web, gather information, and interact with online content. The framework's real-time streamed and interactive terminal interface allows for user intervention at any point, offering a high degree of control. This combination of organic growth, user-driven customization, on-demand tool creation, hierarchical multi-agent capabilities, and real-time interaction makes Agent Zero a truly unique and powerful personal AI framework. Project number 8, Letta, the stateful agent framework with memory. What makes Letta truly stand out is its foundational design as a framework specifically built for creating stateful AI agents. Unlike stateless systems, Letta empowers agents with memory, advanced reasoning, and robust context management, allowing them to retain information across interactions and build more sophisticated behaviors. A key differentiator is the clear separation between the MeMGPT agents themselves and the Letta API server and runtime. This architecture allows you to define powerful agents that are then run as persistent services, ensuring they live beyond a single interaction and maintain their state in a database. Interacting with these agents is made versatile through a REST API and accompanying Python and TypeScript SDKs. Furthermore, Letta provides a user-friendly agent development environment, ADE, a graphical interface for creating, deploying, interacting with, and observing your agents. This combination of a powerful backend for state management and accessible user interfaces, along with its model-agnostic design supporting various LLM providers, positions Letta as a unique platform for building truly intelligent and persistent AI applications. Whether you deploy it with Docker for a production-ready PostgreSQL database or via pip for quick experimentation with SQLite, Letta provides the tools to create agents that remember, reason, and evolve over time. Project number 9, Tiny Agent, function calling at the edge. Tiny Agent Apart is its groundbreaking approach to bringing complex reasoning and function calling to the edge using small language models, SLMs. Unlike traditional large language models, LLMs, like GPT-4 and Gemini, which are often too demanding for local deployment, Tiny Agent tackles the challenges of privacy, connectivity, and latency by utilizing specialized SLMs. These smaller models are trained with high-quality, curated data and optimized for function calling through LLM compiler, enabling sophisticated interactions right on your device. Imagine your AI assistant directly engaging with your macOS applications to compose emails, manage contacts, schedule calendar events, and even organize Zoom meetings, all without relying on constant cloud connectivity. To further enhance its capabilities, Tiny Agent employs ToolRAG, a smart mechanism to retrieve the most relevant tools and examples for a given task, significantly boosting accuracy and reducing confusion. Whether you prefer using your OpenAI key, Azure deployments, or even your own local models via platforms like LM Studio and Llama.cpp, Tiny Agent offers remarkable flexibility. Notably, the project provides its own fine-tuned open-source models, Tiny Agent 1.1b and Tiny Agent 7b, which, when combined with ToolRAG, have even demonstrated performance exceeding that of GPT-4 Turbo. For those who love customization, Tiny Agent allows you to add your own tools and even create custom subagents, tailoring the system to your specific needs. Project number 10, LARS, the LLM and Advanced Referencing Solution. What truly distinguishes LARS is its focus on bringing the power of large language models right to your local device, combined with an unparalleled commitment to verifying the information they provide. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that not only understands your questions but also grounds its answers directly in your own documents, eliminating the frustrating issue of AI hallucinations. But Lars doesn't stop there. It goes a step further by providing detailed citations for every relevant part of its response, showing you the specific document name, page number, and even highlighting the exact text and images that support its claims. This isn't just a simple reference. Lars presents a document reader right within the response window, allowing you to instantly verify the source of the information. By being an open-source RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, application with a pure llama.cpp backend, Lars offers transparency and control over your AI interactions. It supports a wide array of document formats and gives you the flexibility to choose from multiple local embedding models and text extraction methods, including options for scanned documents. With features like the ability to force enable or disable RAG, tweak advanced LLM settings, and even reset the vector database, Lars puts you firmly in control of your local LLM experience. Thanks for watching today's overview of the top AI agent frameworks and SDKs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment your favorite framework, and subscribe for more insightful AI content. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our weekly updates on the latest open-source AI projects. Until next time, keep innovating and exploring.